Hey guys, it's me, Liam from Border Busters, and today we're going to be making our own balloon pop game in Scratch. Alright, so let's open up a new project. So click new project on my stuff or just go to the create tab. And we will delete the cat sprite. We will paint a new sprite. And this is going to be the game screen. So let's just do title screen. So we're gonna have a title screen, and I'm just gonna customize my own. So what you can do whatever you want. Again, it's gonna be a balloon pop game. Just keep that in mind. I'm gonna add instructions to mine. I'm just gonna pick a nice sky color. Don't have any outline for that. That's good. And make sure to make it a sprite, not a backdrop. Trust me. Or you'll have some problems with it. So we'll do that. And yep. And I'll be right back once I finish my title screen. Alright guys, as you can see, I finished my title screen. All it says is balloon pop. Press space to play your mission. Click all the balloons to pop them all except the doom balloons. And this tutorial series will be two-part. Yeah, it's kind of gonna be longer. So now we're gonna code the title screen, and we're gonna go to when green flag clicked, and let's go to broadcast message 1. And let's go to new message, and let's type in, show start. Press OK. And then we will put when I receive, show start. Then we'll go to custom, go to show. Then go to control, and then do wait until, and then we can go to sensing, key space is pressed, and then we're going to broadcast a new message, so just duplicate that, and then we'll just put new message, and we'll put in new game. There we go, perfect. And then we will hide it. So if we do this, we press S, space, and it will hide it. So now we're going to code balloons. So to code the balloons, I'm gonna pick my own. I'm gonna choose a sprite to make things quicker, and not just have it a blue balloon. I'm gonna make it I want it to just be a simple color, so like we could use the same kind of thing, but I just want it to be a simple solid color, nothing too fancy. Maybe black. Picking up that outline, we can make this like a black, I guess. Yeah, that's good. I like that. I'm going to set the size to, let's say, 50. Nope, that's a bit too small. Maybe 75. 75 sounds, no. Sorry, I'm just trying to find a good size. 60. Alright, perfect. So, we're going to code the balloon, and we are going to go to when green flag clicked, and we are going to click hide, because that's when the broadcast message is already on. So if we didn't put hide, then a balloon would be showing right there. And yeah. So now we're going to do when I receive new game. So let's go to when I receive new game. And we're going to create 3 new variables, and we are going to make them score, speed, and time remaining for all sprites. So let's do score, speed, all sprites, and then we'll do time. Let's make sure just to put spaces on this one because we will show this one. Time remaining for all sprites, and we will set the score to 0. So set score to 0. Then we'll set the speed for, let's say, 5, and we will set time remaining to 15. That will be how many seconds we'll do. And we'll do control repeat until. Let's go to operators. Time remaining is equal to 0, and we'll put time remaining on this side. Perfect. Now next we are going to change time remaining. So change time remaining by -1. Well, not -2, -1, and we will change the speed by 0.2. Well, not set. Make sure to do change speed by 0.2. There we go. And we will do control. Oh, don't show my variable. We could just delete the my variable. So let's go to control and let's do create clone of myself. And I'll explain all of this after when we're done. And we will wait 1 second. All right. So pretty much what all this means is it's kind of confusing, I guess, in a way, but so what this is just the variables, and this will repeat until time remaining is less than 0. So this will all go until this is equal to 0. So until we're out of time. We'll change time remaining by -1. We'll change the speed by 0.2, and we'll create a clone of the balloon. And we are going to go to when I start as a clone. Where is it? Here we go. When I start as a clone, we're going to switch costume to balloon. Switch costume to balloon. Gotta show it. Pretty much. Switch. Let's just add a balloon, and let's just hit a empty. Oh, sorry. So I'm gonna create a new costume. This is going to be kind of a pop costume, and I will be right back once I create. All right, guys, I just forgot to tell you, just make one more costume. So just duplicate the balloon and name it Doom Balloon. And we can make this one like red. I just forgot to tell you that one. So this will be the challenge in the game, not to press these ones. And we will make a pop sprite. So I'm just gonna make the pop sprite in front of you guys. And yeah. So let's just kind of make like a orangish shape, and we can go like that, and we can undo that. My gosh, I can't click the right thing. Make it pointed. Here we go. Make all the sides pointed of this, and boom. Now we can make the pop sprite a bit more better. So that's good, and that's good. And okay. So this is gonna be my pop sprite. Sorry about that noise. This is gonna be my pop sprite. It's kind of simple, and I'm just gonna put inside of here some text saying pop. It's not gonna be anything complex. Pop. Boom, just like that. And we could size this down a bit. And actually, yeah, this is good, I guess. Pop. And then we can make this a yellowish color, kinda. And let's just make sure when I start as a clone, let's go back to the code. And we're gonna switch the costume to balloon. So, switch costume to be balloon. So, balloon, here we go. So yeah, we're gonna go to balloon, and we're gonna go to if, oh, whoops. So we're gonna go to control, then we're gonna go to if, we're gonna do, this is gonna be a bit complex, so let's just go to operators, do an equal sign, then do pick random 1, 2, 6. So just, and then equals 1. So this is a bit complex. So if the, if you just want to, it's kind of like a random thing. So it's like a random generator of the balloons. And if it's 1 out of 6, so if it depends, if 1 out of 6, like it's kind of random, then you'll switch the costume to Doom Balloon. And we are going to do, oops, sorry about that. And yeah, so we are going to do show, and so we're just gonna show it. Show. Then let me see what's next. I'm just trying to think. Show. And yeah, so just go to show, and then you want to switch. Go to X, Y. So you just want to go to a random position with the balloon. So go to pick random -200 to 200. So let's do that. I think that would be a good idea. 200 to 200. And then we're going to do Y -180. Perfect. So we are going to do repeat until, where is it? Repeat until, we're gonna do Y position is greater than, let's see, 180, and change Y by speed. Change Y by speed, and we're going to do delete this clone. Let me see, where is it? Delete this clone. And we will put that at the very bottom. Perfect. So we are going to do a new thing when this sprite is clicked. So you know what? Let's save that for the next episode. Let's just, before we end this, let's do, where's the repeat until? So do this to the new game, and then play sound symbol crash. Yeah, so play broadcast show game over. So we're just gonna do symbol, whoops. So we're gonna play, let's go to sound, sorry. Let's go to, let's do a new sound. Let's do it, symbol crash, yeah. So, symbol crash, here we go. That's okay. Start sound, symbol crash, and then we will broadcast show game over. Broadcast, where is the broadcast? Okay, and we're gonna make a new message, and we're gonna do show game over. And there we go. And we're gonna do when I receive, where is it? Show game over. Then we will do delete this clone. So if we press space, pop the balloons. It's not switching the costumes yet, But as you may see, the balloons are spawning. They are spawning right now. And in the next episode, we will make it so when we click the balloons, they will pop and switch to this pop costume. And we will code the Doom balloon and show the game over screen. And yeah, guys, please make sure to like and subscribe. My goal is to get 1,000 subscribers at the end of the year. I am super excited for that. Yeah, again, in the next episode, we'll just make it so, we will just make it so the balloons will pop. And don't forget to save your project. And you guys could add a backdrop if you want. I'll do that maybe in a bit. And yeah, guys,